We are on week 4, day 22, and there have certainly been times when I have not wanted to get onto video, but I am very much a person who is true to their words, so I have been showing up and haven't necessarily stuck to the plan, but that's okay. Today I'm talking about what is the best fasting length for weight loss. And I talk to so many women who are struggling with the weight gain in perimenopause and menopause. And unfortunately, I've said it before, things have to change because our hormones are, they're on a slow decline, or they're all over the show if you're in perimenopause. And unfortunately, we become more insulin resistant, so therefore we're not being responsive to our food as effectively, and so we're putting on that weight. And so in this video, I'm talking about what is the most effective fasting length for weight loss, and how do we go about it? Is it something that we dive into straight away? So, and the answer is no. And so the most effective, being a certified Fast Like a Girl coach under Dr. Mindy Pelz, the 36-hour fast is what she called the fat burning fast. And that is going obviously 36 hours without food. And that's when your body starts to register. It goes, actually, there's no food coming in for that length of time. And then it goes, well, I've actually got to go and find that stored sugar that I stored years ago, and fat, and use it as the fuel source. And so that's what I'll do. I'll look around all the body and find where it stored it years ago. And so weight fasting is so effective for weight loss, but it is also really super effective for other healing benefits, the reduction of the inflammation, and just increased energy, becoming more insulin sensitive instead of insulin resistant. There are so many, but I've talked about that. So do you dive straight into a 36-hour fast? Absolutely not. It's something that you kind of just work your way into. And I've talked about, just slowly extending your fasting, pushing out your breakfast, and then just slowly extending to 13 hours, and then 15 hours, and then get to 17, and then you might do a 24-hour. Once you get to a 24-hour, it's actually quite easy to get to a 36. I know that might be quite difficult to believe. Now, setting yourself up for an effective 36-hour fast, it is about what you do the days prior. So make sure that you are not having processed foods, you're not having inflammatory oils, you're not having lots of cakes and biscuits and packaged foods. You want to be eating really clean, lots of protein, lots of healthy fats, lots of fiber, those nature's carbs that are super good for us. And if we're taking those inflammatory oils out, then we're not, it's going to set up us for a more effective fasting experience. And then going into your 36-hour fast, the meal before needs to be really high in protein, high in healthy fats, and especially no processed foods. And I talked about a video where I did that. I was going into a longer fast, and it was so hard that I ended up not following through with it. So I'm actually going into a 36-hour fast tomorrow. And then so in your 36-hour fasting window, you're doing lots of water, herbal teas, electrolytes, minerals. Those are all things that I recommend. And then when you are breaking your fast, do a cup of bone broth, because that is really good for replacing the inner lining of your gut and just giving that good, the microbes, the good protein and glycogen out of, and collagen from bone broth. And then you want to be having, I've talked about it, healthy fats, fermented foods, some polyphenol foods, so hemp seeds that I use for that, and then slowly, and then I will introduce into that protein, and having the protein, getting that up for the replacing the muscle, for building up the muscle. So I hope that helps. Have you got any questions? Does like a 36-hour fast, does that feel like so far-fetched for you, or are you already doing quite a bit of fasting? I'd love to know if you had like really good experience and lost, you know, a great amount of weight by getting into some of these longer fasts. Look forward to hearing from you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.